Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best photo light boxes that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, LimoStudio 16 inches by 16 inches tabletop photo photography studio LED lighting tent. Are you looking for the best portable lightbox? LimoStudio Light Tent is just made for you. It is a tabletop LED light stand which helps you to move the light source with great convenience. It features retractable tripod legs to ensure it fits on any surface. Besides, it offers perfect ability when you want to adjust the light further. On the other hand, it improves your photography skills by enabling you to take steady shots at different angles. The kit also includes a universal phone holder to let you take stunning shots with your smartphone. The inside features a black fabric which is not reflective, so it produces photos with strong contrast. At number 4, BFULL Photo Studio Lightbox. Designed with special reflective fabrics, the photo lightbox can help to minimize shadows, produce softer and more evenly light on the subject and allow you to take professional high-quality pictures in different background with phones and cameras. In case of materials wrinkle, you can easily iron the studio interior color cloth out after use. Its frame structure is constructed with latest memory steel wire, so it won't collapse like its competitors in the market. It has high degree of bendability and plasticity. It can easily restore to its original shape after multiple bending, without deformation or fracture. At number 3, Emart 14 inches by 16 inches photography table top lightbox. This is the best seller in photo background shooting tents. Premium features put it in this rank. It is a uniquely designed photo studio lightbox featuring 2 LED light strips. These are rated 10 watts and produce 5500K white balanced daylight continuous lighting. The design also entails 4 color photo backdrops. This gives you a wide range of shooting configurations. Due to this artistic design, it is the perfect equipment for a home-based business, online seller, small business. As well, it is great for amateur photographers to ensure they get enhanced quality images. It is convenient when you are shooting photos as a remote area. Thanks to its simple design whereby it uses a USB power adapter or a power bank to operate. Furthermore, it has openings at the top and front to eliminate harsh light or shadow formation. So, your photos can look more natural. At number 2, Folio 1 All-in-One Portable Foldable Photo Shooting Studio Lightbox. The Orange Monkey team creates affordable and easy-to-use products to help photographers, entrepreneurs, and hobbyists display their products and creations. Since launching our first Kickstarter campaign in 2013, we have raised over $3 million from more than 40,000 backers on crowdfunding platforms. Our sustained growth would not be possible without the support of our dedicated backers and followers. Finally at number 1, Neewer 2-pack dimmable bicolor 660 LED video light with Barndoor. With multiple locations over 3 continents, Neewer is a global leader in photography, video, and music equipment. We are committed to offering professional premium products that have been tested by expert photographers, videographers, music lovers all over the world with great user experience from all of them. Excellent value is a core tenet of our brand, and we stand behind every item with a lifetime support. Adjustable U-mount bracket makes the light toward different angle for the best shooting. Attaching barn doors to light sources creates a beam spread of light. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.